Look, listen, the number one mistake the moving industry is making right now is that owners are trying to take themselves out of the business way too soon. Way too freaking soon. You're trying to delete yourself. You're trying to replace yourself. You're trying to delegate every little thing in the business. And what it ends up doing is you're delegating the leadership of the business. Okay? Way too early. You think that like at $1 million, $2 million, $5 million that, it's time to delete myself out. Dude, are you stupid? Like, that's a little itty bitty sized business. Okay? There's people that are running $100 million businesses that are still involved in leadership and involved in major parts of the business, okay? The biggest mistake, number one, taking yourself out too soon. Don't be that person. Don't think that you're too big for stuff. Don't think you're too big to go clean the bathroom, lead the people, communicate. You know, your people are desperate for you. They are desperate for a leader. Give it to them. Be that for them. Who else in your office is doing it? Don't leave them out for dead. Come on.